Good morning, children. Today we are going to start this new poem, that is Something Told the Wild Geese. This poem is written by Raquel Lyman Field. He was an American novelist, poet, writer, and whatever the collections he used to write, that used to belong to children. Now, this poet is a female. She has received many awards for her works, and this particular poem that we are going to discuss, Something Told the Wild Geese, it is one of our most famous poems. Okay, and this poem, if you have read it already, then you might have understood or might have got some hint about the basic theme underlying the poem, that is time. Okay, the change of time, we can say. So this poem is about the change of time and the and a cycle. Okay, we have got to know about the cycle going on here, because while we'll be going through the poem, we can understand, we'll be able to know that a season is continuing, and also the season or the next season is going to arrive. So basically here it shows the change of time and also keeping together or keeping surrounding the nature. Okay, now let's see how the poem starts or how it goes. So the first stanza says, something told the wild geese it was time to go. As you can see in the very first two lines, it gives a warning that there was something which told the wild geese that it was their time to go away, it was their time to leave. Now what do we mean by this something told the wild geese? What told the wild geese that it was their time to go? This something refers to the instinct of the wild geese. This wild geese, these are some migratory birds, okay, which migrates from one place to another place. If you can see in your word meaning, if it's mentioned that wild geese are migratory birds which move from one place to another, especially to avoid the winter season. Now maybe you can have a hint that what this poem is about, okay, or what is the continuation going to happen in this poem. Something told the wild geese it was time to go. So that was an instinct, that was a feeling of the birds, that they felt that the time has arrived, that they now have to leave. Though the fields lay golden, something whispered snow. Though the fields lay golden. Now this means that the season which was existing, okay, which is existing right now, that is the season of autumn. Now what generally happens in the autumn season is that the leaves, okay, everywhere you can see there is orangish, golden, yellow, all this scenario you can see. So we can see here that the line which mentions here that the fields lay golden. Though the fields were lying golden, okay, everything, the nature seemed very golden enough because of the autumn season, because of the characteristics of the autumn season. But even if there was golden enough, okay, in the nature, but still it's something whispered snow. Some kind of feeling was there which felt like that snow is going to arrive. Leaves were green and stirring. Now by this lines also we can understand that the autumn season was continuing. Okay, the existing season right now, that is autumn, and the characteristics which can be seen here is that leaves were green and stirring. The leaves were full of life, okay, and they were all green, everything was greenery around. Berries luster glossed. Berries, that means the fruits, is the mention about the fruits that were on the trees. Now this tree, the fruits which were there on the trees, they had all grown ripe, okay, they were ripened enough, and also due to being ripe, they were all shining. Okay, they were all full of life, everything was full of life. The grass, the trees, the fruits, okay, everything was shining. But beneath warm feathers, even if there was enjoyment, even if there was golden thing, even if the season was warm enough, something cautioned frost. Now, what does the word frost means? This indicate about the particular season, that is winter. Okay, it tells you about the arrival of the winter season. Something cautioned. Cautioned means that it was making uh, it was making an awareness that the winter season is going to arrive. All the sagging orchards steamed with amber spice. Now, what does this word, sorry, what does this word sagging means? All the sagging orchard. Now, first of all, orchard, we know it's a garden, okay, garden of fruits. Now, the fruits garden, they were all sagging. Do you know what is the meaning of sagging? The meaning of sagging is bending. Okay, now why the fruits were bending? Because they were ripened enough, and due to being ripe, they were quite heavy. They had become quite heavy. So that's why it said here that all the sagging orchard steamed with amber spice. They had grown quite golden and brownish. That was the combination of the color. The fruits, they were covered with the golden color and brownish color. They had become of that color. But each wild breast stiffened at remembered eyes. But even if the beauty could be seen, okay, the full of life of the trees, of the grasses, of the fruits could be seen, still the birds, okay, the wild geese, their heart stiffened. Stiffened means with the idea of the arrival of the winter, their heart stiffened. They became scared. They were frightened at the idea of the winter coming. Now, why were they scared? Because of the arrival of the winter season. Something told the wild geese it was time to fly. Now, migratory birds are those birds which flies from one place, or which moves from one place to another place just to avoid the winter season. They have to make their own place so that they can pass the chilly weather, the weather of winter, because the birds also too, they feel cold, right? So something told the wild geese it was time to fly. Summer sun was on their wings. No doubt the sun was shining very brightly, and the reflection, the warmth, they could feel on their wings. But they could not ignore this point that the winter was going to arrive. Now, what it means, winter in their cry, it means that the time had already come when they had to make their own place. They had to search for the shelter where they would be able to save themselves, and also they would have to make those precautions, we can say, or they had to search for such places where they would be able to keep themselves safe. Okay, so this is all about the poem. Now you might think that what is the message that can be given here, or what is the poem trying to tell through the picture of this wild geese, this migratory birds. So it tells us that time changes, time waits for none. Okay, time will never wait for anyone. The seasons will keep passing on. Today, or maybe the present time is autumn, so the next time that will be winter. Okay, so everyone, not only the birds, even if we think in case of the humans, they also need to be careful because of the winter season arriving. Because what happens in the winter season, we feel cold. Okay, so to protect ourselves from winter, we need various kinds of warm clothes. So in that such way, the birds also need some protection. Okay, they also need to keep themselves warm. So as these wild geese are the migratory birds, so they also have to search for some places where they can keep themselves safe and warm. So this poem actually tells us about the precautions or the awareness of the changing of time. And while the awareness is given, so in relation to that, what kind of precautions we can take, or what kind of things we can keep arranged, so that we can pass the coming time very comfortably. Okay, so this also is in the case of the birds. So I hope that you have understood this. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me to clear it. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.